Do you need to download your form submissions? This is Erica, and today, let me show you how to download them to PDF or other file types. In this video, I'll show you how to export form submissions as PDF and Excel files in just a few steps. First up, let's navigate to the form from which we want to download the submissions. For this example, I'm going to head to my contract form. Once we are here, click on Manage Data to view your submissions. Above our submissions, we have the filter option, which is super useful when you want to download only specific submissions. For example, you can narrow submissions to those with attached files. Once you're satisfied with your conditions, click Filter, and you'll see the results are now updated. Now, let's download your submissions to PDF. Simply select the submissions you need, and click on Batch Print. Name your file, add some description, and click OK to move on. Double-check the file size, layout, and other settings. Once all set, click Save. And there it is, a PDF file with your submissions. Next, let's download your submissions to Excel. Click on Export, and choose between all submissions or just the filtered ones. If you also need the attachments, select Export Data and Files. You can download the attachments either as direct files or as URLs. If you choose to export the attachment as a URL, you will get a downloadable link for each attachment. You can even customize the fields to download and the file name of the attached files. Once everything looks good, click Export. Give it a few seconds to prepare your file. You'll get a notification when it's ready to download. Download it. Open your Downloads folder, and you will find a zip file for your export. Extract this file, and you will get an Excel file for your submissions and a folder for all attachments. That's all about this video. If you have any questions about downloading your submissions, leave us a comment or join our community to learn more. We're always here to help you. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.